With this trainer, we have provided one manual here. This is the XPO MFS. It means motor fault simulator. In this panel also, there is a student workbook as well as instructor guide is given here inside. So at the beginning, here is the desktop experiment, introduction and understanding resources panel. We have which we have given in this rack. Third is working with three-phase motor fault simulator. So this is the introduction of this trainer. This is a block diagram and circuitry for motor fault simulator. This is a patch cord set, length and all this given in extra information, understanding resources panel. And this is the main experiment, fault in star connection. Here this is a different type of fault you can observe, or you can simulate the different type of fault. Suppose this is the first is over voltage. When voltage goes to beyond the specified range of voltage, that time relay will be tripped and your motor will be memory. With this trainer, we have provided this manual. In manual, these two type of instructions are given here. One is one manual is for student workbook and another set of instructions for instructor guide. Here these are the given, and this is the main experiment. Here first experiment is for over voltage. Another fault is along with this trainer you can study under voltage. This is a simulation for single phasing, reverse phasing, phase interrupt, winding short, winding open, overcurrent, earth leakage and high temperature. So this is a wiring sequence. You have to connect the wiring sequence as per cable given. This is a procedure and these are the individual faults. Suppose this is the first fault, over voltage fault. So follow these instructions and observe your output here. Another is under voltage fault. So at first you connect wiring sequence. So here first wiring is power circuit motor connection, and another wiring connections is for control circuit connections. So first EMT1 goes to EMT34 1. So here EMT1 goes to EMT34 1. So connect this wire. Another connections EMT1 2 goes to 34 2, like this. So follow these wiring connections. Now follow the procedure for individual simulation of fault. But one precaution you should to take. Here this motor is given, three-phase induction motor is given. So always keep these toggle switches for RYB phase interruption switches is in on position. Here is the interrupt position, and this is also winding break switches at on position and winding short at off position, because now this is the one default condition of switches already given in manual also. So at first here switch on this MCB, three-phase MCB. By using this three-phase MCB, here is a this MCB, then switch on this switch, then put this rotary switch at forward condition and set this three-phase dimmer voltage up to 380 voltage. So 380 voltage or 390 voltage. That time calibrate this port at OK indication This is a OK indication. Yeah, calibrate this at OK condition. When your three phase is goes below 390 day, this is the, you can observe, and then start the motor by using dual starter. Now motor is running. Motor is running here, and here you can observe the motor voltage here, individual three phase voltages. At that time you will set this below the required voltage. This is the under voltage. That time your motor will be off automatically. It will be break. This is the breaker, will break the supply which is going to motor, and motor will off. So again, this is the first fault. This is the under voltage fault. Now over voltage fault. Here and here set this at 390 voltage. Then you will check or observe the position or condition of status of your phasing or fault. OK. Now run this motor by using this dual starter. Now motor is running here. These are the voltages. You can observe individual voltage, three phase voltages, who is going to motor. Now over voltage fault. So when motor will, and observe this status also, when you rotate the three phase dimmer and voltage goes beyond 410, the fault will be observed, over voltage. This is the second fault. Now this is the third fault, single phasing fault. So here also is the standard condition. Now one is reverse phasing, it means is a and when your supply goes to reverse, is a reverse phasing, RP. RP means reverse phasing. That time your motor will be off. Motor voltage goes to 0. Now another fault is, again you set standard rating voltage and motor is a 390 or 380 voltage. That time start the motor. Then these are the different fault here. This is a reverse phasing fault. Already we have studied phase interrupt. So here this is a phase interrupt. So at that time you observe the current at particular phase. This is standard phase. Now I am doing the phase interrupt for R. So observe the R current here, winding current. It goes to 0, and another 2 winding current goes to high. Same, this is for Y. It is also Y current goes to 0 and another 2 winding current goes to high. This is a phase interruption fault simulation. This is a phase interruption. Now another fault is for winding short. Here again this is the R winding, Y winding, B winding. Now winding short means when any one winding. Now I am making the fault for R winding. So here At that point, R current goes to high and another 2 winding current goes to slowly high. It means the fault in which winding is occurs, the current will be maximum to that particular winding. Now this is a Y winding. Now Y winding current goes to high and another goes to, compared to that particular winding, another winding current is low. This is a third winding. Now this is a B. Again you just keep this at fault back and this is a B current goes to high. So this is a winding short fault. Now winding break. At that time this is a winding break wire fault switches. So this is the first switch for R winding break. So observe the current of R winding. At that time R winding sub current is 0. It means when any winding is going to break, so that particular winding current goes to 0. Now this is another for Y. Here also Y, that time Y current goes to 0. And this is the third winding, B. Yeah, B. So B winding and fault is occurs. So B winding current goes to 0. So this is a winding break fault, simulation fault.
Stop.